What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley for those of you who are watching for the first time, and for today's video I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm doing like a DIY homemade hair mask. Hopefully this turns out good because as you guys know, it's like quarantine, not a lot of things to do, so I thought why not make my own homemade hair mask with all the ingredients I have already in my kitchen. So that is what I'm going to be doing for today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I make it, the ingredients I put in it, why I put those ingredients in there, and I'm going to be showing you guys before and after, and I'll give you guys a little review on how it worked on my hair. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so the main ingredient for my hair mask is an avocado, and I looked it up and it says that avocados are meant to soothe and moisturize your scalp, so that's a good ingredient to put in there. And also that's why it's gonna look like super green, is because the avocado's in there. The next thing I have is honey, which is probably gonna help with smell. And also it says online that honey is a natural sealant and it takes moisture from the air and like holds moisture in your hair and stuff like that, so that will definitely help lock in all the moisture. The next ingredient I have is banana, which is rich with potassium and natural oils. It also says that it helps soften and protects hair, natural elasticity, which prevents split ends and stuff like that. And you know, we all need a little extra work on our split ends. So next I have olive oil, which is in almost every hair product I already use, so I decided to add that in. And olive oil just really helps with moisture as well as strengthening the hair follicle. And if you guys don't know, a lot of people who like can't afford hair products and who like live in third world countries and stuff like that, they just put olive oil in their hair. Like my mom, when she was growing up, she didn't have a lot of hair products, so she literally just put straight olive oil in her hair, and it literally helps with shine, prevents breakage, strengthens your hair, all that kind of stuff. So there's many benefits to olive oil. And then lastly, as you guys already know, Jamaican castor oil. This is the castor oil and coconut mix, and it literally smells so bomb. And if you guys don't know, Jamaican black castor oil really helps with hair growth. Those are my ingredients, and we're just gonna go ahead and mix them together and make this mask. Alright guys, so I just changed up the angle a little bit so you guys can see me adding all the ingredients. Avocados also have their own natural proteins and amino acids, and if you guys don't know, you're supposed to do like protein treatments and stuff like that every once in a while, especially if you have curly hair. So if you guys want a natural remedy for your protein treatment, definitely think about trying this avocado hair mask, period. Alright, so let's just start. I'm gonna cut my joint open. I'm gonna make a humongous mess in my room. There's no like set amount of ingredients you should add, so I'm really just like eyeballing it. Alright, so now it looks like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and mash it up a bit. Next I'm gonna go ahead and add my banana. I just took half a banana, so I don't have to waste the whole one, just in case it doesn't work out. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my honey to it. Give it a good squeeze. That should be good. Go ahead with my olive oil. I want to add a good amount of this so that the texture can be a little bit more watery. I'll show you guys real quick. This is what it looks like now. After I add the olive oil, it's a lot like more smooth so that I can apply it to my hair easier. And then I'm just gonna take the last ingredient, which is the castor oil. Just gonna add a couple drops of that. This is what the mask is looking like, guys. It smells really good so far. Hopefully it like sticks to my hair, but we'll see. And let's take it to the bathroom. Okay, so I just wet my hair. I would recommend you doing this mask on wash day. So I'm gonna take my mask. Just love the way it smells. It smells so organic and natural. Alright, so I'm just gonna take a good size amount on my hand. It smells very good. It smells like bananas and honey. And I'm just gonna run it through my hair. I'm gonna start at the top and then work my way down. Probably section my hair off as well. Okay. It feels really good. The driest part of my hair is probably like the back of my head, like at the nape of my neck. So I really try to focus all my products and this mask on that section. So the mask is evenly distributed in my hair, and now I'm just gonna wait about 10 minutes before I rinse it out, just to really let the product soak and really settle in my hair. Alright guys, so after I put the hair mask in, I just shampooed and conditioned my hair, and I'll insert right here what products I used. I have really been loving the Pattern Medium shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo does not dry out your hair, and the conditioner is extremely moisturizing. These are my results. My hair already feels softer to the touch. Like, even though it's still wet, it definitely feels a lot softer. My texture with no product is bomb. Like, my curls are defined. To give you guys a better idea, if you want to see my curls a little bit more, I'll just turn my head, and you can see that I have a lot of definition and more shine. My ends are not dry. Honestly, I probably only have to put in a little curling cream and oil, and I'm good to go. So, just to give you guys my final thoughts on this hair mask, I would definitely recommend you guys try this. But just to warn you guys, it is a little messy. I had a lot of banana chunks in the bottom of my shower. So if you guys are going to try this recipe, I would suggest that you either blend it in a blender so that it's extremely smooth and it can go down the drain, or you can just do what I did and just clean up after. I do really like this hair mask. I definitely will be trying it again. And if you guys do decide to try it, definitely let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.